Hello everybody. I don't know if I've ever shown this device I have here. It's an 18-inch Sears hedge trimmer, double insulated, Bushwacker. And I'm not 100% sure of the age. There's the serial number. Not wanting to focus on that this morning. But it's D7340. And it's a model number 315.796630. 2.6 amp motor. Something was telling me this is from around 85 or 86. Now I remember where I get 85, 86 from. The owner's manual for this thing. There's the printing date. November 1985. Also take note of this owner's manual. It has the newer Sears logo. And it does have a warning. Caution, do not use this handle. Danger, keep hands away from blades. Imagine that. That's what the bottom looks like. I thought maybe there was a date code stamped into the case, but I guess not. I don't know why I'm thinking 85, 86. But maybe I can find out and put it in the prescription. Or somebody can let me know. That would be appreciated. I've got a project here today I'm going to be working on. But first I have to trim the shrubs in the front of the house. So let's get this hooked up and get going on that. And another note about this, there is no safety. Just pull the trigger and they go. All done. Now we're ready for the project. And what might that project be? Maybe you can see the shadow. What's going up on the roof? Oh, it's that time of year again. The glorious C9s are back on the roof. It's many hours later, and I'm finally just about done with the Christmas lights. We'll do a little sneak peek. Very nice. Good old incandescents.